Implant infections are on the rise, with severe consequences for patients. Microbial biofilm formation at the implant surface complicates treatment of such infections. Antimicrobial biomaterials are a promising anti-infective strategy, but many issues limit their use in the clinic. With a workshop at the World Biomaterials Congress 2020, we aim to educate biomaterials researchers in the design and testing of new antimicrobial materials.
In this workshop, we bring together 6 leading global researchers who will present an overview of recent breakthrough innovations in antimicrobial biomaterials and the specific challenges to translate these to the use in patient care.
Special attention will be given to strategies that allow tackling antibiotic resistance development, such as smart drug delivery systems or drug-free approaches based on biomaterial surface modifications or natural polymers with antibacterial activity. The workshop will consist of pre-recorded presentations by our scientists. In addition, a live questions and answers session will be organized at the end of the workshop.